Good morning, everyone. We are rolling. We got lots going on over here. Exciting news coming up that we'll be telling you about very soon. But today we want to start a new project, a new sign. This one is, Vicky found this. This is going to be a special thing. Vicky found this design and wording. I think you got this off Vector Stock, right?
The clip art, the mountains on Vector Stock. I just found that on Google.
Yeah, we just Googled and found
them.
them.
The best view comes after the hardest climb. That was just Google.
Yeah, so we want to carve this, do some special stuff. We've already transferred it to a beautiful piece of white poplar, and Vicky did her fill in with the medium brown Starbond with the accelerator. And this is one of the ones that didn't have any real big gaps, so we did the fill in with this stuff. Works really well for filling in small knots and small holes and stuff. So we've got the layout already done. This space down here we're going to do something different with. You guys are going to see after we get the carving done. And we did, the transfer was just done with the this isn't freezer paper, this is label backer with off of an inkjet printer. Oh. Anyway, that's the transfer label backer that I used, just inkjet. I'll put across the screen some other videos you can go see to see me do that in case you haven't seen that process, but it's pretty simple. Anyway, so we are going to get to carving this thing, and I guess that's about it. This is going to be a pretty short video. We're going to get set up and start carving this thing, so we'll meet you outside. Hey, Mag. Hi, Mag.
This is our shop helper today. It's so hot.
Yeah, it's pretty warm out here.
Hi.
He likes to be where the air conditioning is.
Meg.
Say hi, Mag.
Say hi.
Good boy, Mag. All right, guys. So we are. I know. But I want them to see this, and then I'll get this out of the way. So the layout's all done, and I did put a coat of the clear on it to keep that inkjet transfer from smearing while I'm carving. Because if you don't do that, it can run off and smear on your hands and your fingers and stuff. So anyway, I did that. We are ready to start carving, and we decided to get out here on the patio and give you guys a little bit better view. We don't get to show off these beautiful scenery that we have on a regular basis because we're normally pointed the other direction, but we thought it was kind of appropriate to show some mountains as we're carving some mountains. So I've got the these little tiny letters are pretty small, and I'm going to use the carving liner. I'm going to do them inset. I'm going to use the carving liner, and we are going to get these things carved. Let me put my hat back down here.
A little bit closer here.
All right. I'm not sure. I don't know if you're going to need the auxiliary lights. I certainly don't. And I am set at about 1/8 of an inch. Here we go. know what, guys? I think I'm going to switch over to the profile bit. These aren't near as small as I was thinking that they were. I think I can use a profile bit. So I'm going to switch over to that. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I've got the profile bit in, and I think it'll cut much better on these letters than the carving liner. So let's get after it. Well, there's that.
Oh, sorry it's so blurry, guys.
Sorry, guys. Speaking of the best view, check this out.
Carrie, so bear with
We are, I think it goes up to, the summit up here is like 7,000 feet. So it definitely snows up here in the Hualapai Mountains. And since this is a giveaway for the Denver meetup, we thought that we would just give you guys a little spectacular view of what our beautiful Hualapai Mountains look like. And if all goes well, we'll have some good drone footage to go with this. the drone at about 150 feet above us. We got our grandson Eric running our drone for us. So hopefully we'll have some spectacular drone footage for you. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you enjoy the view. And we are going to get down off the mountain and we're going to finish this up back on the patio. So we'll see you back at the home 20. All right, we are back at the shop and we're out on the patio. I got all of the inset letters done and now we're going to work on the image up above, the mountains and the trees and the birds. So I've got the same profile bit in and it's set at about 3/16. I may have to adjust it as I go, but let's get it going and get this thing carved. All right, here we go. All right, guys and gals. Oops, I missed that line right there. I'll go back and get that. So I'm just going to finish the rest of this image off camera. We'll come back and we'll get into the background.
So are we gonna inset, outset?
This is inset, so everything that's black is going to be inset, and then these pieces are going to be outset. Well, these 3, these 4, those 5, 6, 7. Anyway, the wood color stuff's outset. The black stuff is inset.
Okay.
So we'll be right back. All right, guys. So I've got all the detail work done on my image. It's a pretty simple image, but I think it's going to look pretty cool. So now I'm going to go back at 1/4 of an inch deep, and I'm going to cut a wide line around everything just to give us room for when we go in with the background bit. Here we go.
All right, that gives you an idea of what I'm doing there. I'm going to go ahead and finish it up. Then when we come back, we'll use the 90 degree and get that stuff cleaned out of there. Well guys, unfortunately we're running long on this video, so this is going to do it for this video. On the next video, you guys will see, I think on Wednesday, that we should be able to wrap the whole thing up on Wednesday. So thanks so much again for watching, guys. We so appreciate it. We're really excited about this Denver trip. I hope you guys, some of you can come up there and see us. We're gonna have so much fun, and somebody's gonna win this sign. I think it's gonna come out pretty cool. So anyway, guys, thanks so much. We love you. And if you have any questions, email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com. If you need anything as far as supplies, there's the website. And we would love it if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and click the little bell icon so you get notified. And yeah, I guess that's about it. So have a great one, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.